Tuesday, August the 15th. Healing. I am grateful for my healing journey. I am whole in spirit. As I relax into this awareness, I feel the healing stream of spiritual power, restoring the cells of my body and bringing peace to my mind and heart. I feel the presence of God as I realize my wholeness. With a prayer of gratitude, I welcome my healing. My body responds as I bless my organs and tissues. My thoughts are uplifted and enlivened by the vibrant, healing energy of divine life. Deep feelings of well-being and peace envelop me. I visualize healing light within my body's every cell and imagine the dynamic, restorative power of God. I make changes to support my wellness so that I can better realize my wholeness. In this moment, I claim my healing. Jesus turned, and seeing her, he said, "Take heart, daughter, your faith has made you well." And instantly the woman was made well. Matthew 9:22. I am grateful for my healing journey.